Hi guys, welcome back to my channel �ស៊𝗵SSTATION. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Well, you already read the title. Today's video is going to be, I am going to be reviewing this new product by Maybelline. It's a tinted moisturizer, Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer Hydrated, and this is consists of aloe vera. So this is really great and that's really interesting. So this is really tempting me to try this product, and I took in the shade 220 because the Maybelline Fit Me range foundation I am also in the shade 220. I think you all can see different, but it's 220 here, so I also took the same 220. So I want to see whether this two range is, the shades are same. So maybe on one side I will apply this foundation, on this side I'll apply the tinted moisturizer. Let's see what's the difference. Small things, you go out or you want to apply moisturizer which have little bit of foundation tint, this is best. So let's check this out. This also claims it's a 12-hour, I think it's 12-hour hydration, so it's really interesting. So I'm going to apply this. I just hope that it really matches my skin tone. I just took a pea size, and I like using brush, so most probably I'll be using brush. I just took a pea size and it literally covered this area, so I'll just take little more. I definitely see my pores are blurred and skin is looking smooth. It absorbed in my skin really quickly, and there is, it's like a medium coverage. It's great for every day. I would definitely recommend because I am really liking this tinted moisturizer. So I'm just applying on the other side my foundation, which is in the same shade range 220. So I can't see any difference, but yeah, this is a little thicker. The foundation is thick and that is quite thin texture. This looks like a medium coverage and this looks little above than the medium coverage. My tinted moisturizer, I really like the tinted moisturizer, and the difference, there is no difference, both the shades are same 220. So I feel that I really need a little, it's like a pea size amount. You saw a pea size product I just applied and it covered my whole this side face. Obviously I will take little more and apply it on both the sides, so it won't need a lot of product. This includes aloe vera and I took this shade 220, which is the same as the foundation. So I can feel this, my skin is very soft and smooth. It gives that natural finish as well. So finally I feel that this is natural coverage and natural medium coverage. My skin feels very smooth and it gives that smooth finish as well. And yeah, it's very good for everyday kind of look. You are looking for something, a tinted moisturizer for everyday. This is very nice and affordable. I think I got it just for $7. I will share all the links in my description box below. I got it from Amazon, so you can check that out. Yes, go for it guys. So let's see after 6 hours. So guys, I'm back after 6 hours. I went to kitchen, I cooked food, I took my dog for a walk, and this is, it's almost 6 hours past now and there is no difference at all on both the sides. I felt like the foundation might have come out a little, but it's fine, not so much. I did not apply any powder, but my moisturizer is intact. I feel very comfortable, very light. I don't feel anything sticky as well. I took my dog for a walk as well, so this is very light on my skin till now, and it stayed very nice and smooth as well. My pores are still not visible, giving me the smooth finish. So definitely recommend, give this a try. You can wear this for 12 hours. It's claims that it is 12 hours hydration, and my shade is 220. So I will share the links in my description box below. I hope you guys liked my review. If you like it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel. Share my videos to all your friends and family on WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. And please subscribe my channel, guys. It will really mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram. ID is just chill with Pam. Let's connect there as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.